Okay, everybody, we're back for the second layer. And I had to go and put a piece of cardboard underneath here. All of the resin just kind of started going into the middle here, which I'm not really sure why. I've never had that happen before on one of these, but I know I've done that, put the cardboard in my bigger pieces before, but I've never had to do it on the small one. But anyway, so I put in a piece of cardboard there, and no, I forgot to tape it as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and start here. I apologize for the table here. I have so much stuff going around the table that I haven't been able to change my tablecloth yet. So it's kind of messy, so I do apologize for that. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and start with, this one is the French Rose, which is the darker of the two. Actually, I think I'm going to put some more crystal mirrored glass down first. Since all of that ran down, it kind of covered a lot of that shimmer that I had going on from there. Some more rose quartz. See how I didn't even cover here? Because it just kind of pulled right to the middle. It's kind of annoying why I did that, but what do you do at the time? You can't, there's not a lot you can really do at the time. At least I don't know that there is. So I just kind of let it do its thing, and then figured I would correct everything on my second layer here. All right, and then I'm just gonna drizzle. I did on this clear here that I'm putting on to hold my crystals down, I did add a little bit of this Eyecandy's Glimmer Ghost Violet. It is so beautiful. I don't know if you can see it, but it kind of has like a purplish to it. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I don't know if you can see it in the cup there, but it's beautiful. Some pretty purple shimmer to it. So so today I'm going to be drawing the lines on my geode here. I love how this turned out. It's really pretty. I have these metallic pins that I got from BeeBeeCraft. I'm going to try them. I also have a couple from Walmart that I may use. It just depends on how much they show up. And then I have another brand that I got from Amazon. I can't remember. STA Acrylic Painters. So we'll see which one shows up the best, but we'll So I will let this ink dry, and then I will put on a clear coat over the top. Right, so I'm running it back for I'm gonna put the base coat down here now. I just have some resin, and I did put a little bit of Eyecandy's Glimmer Ghost Violet. Just has a little bit of like some purplish to it, and look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but I hope you can, because that is amazing. So pretty. Just gives it a little pop of some shimmer. Love it. I'm affiliated with Eyecandy, so if you're interested in some cool mica powders, check them out. They got some beautiful colors. They're very reasonable price. They got like bundles and stuff that you can get. Yeah, I really like them. And there's a link in my description if you want to use it. There's also a discount code. I believe it's 10% off. Helps my channel out too if you use my link, but you also get that little discount. So every little bit helps, in my opinion. When you get a discount, you know what that means to me? That means I can buy more. I don't know if that's the way we should think, but that is my thinking. So if you have a set goal, like, or a budget, like I'm only going to spend this much, but I get a discount, so that means I can buy more because I haven't reached my budget. That's what I say when I go to the stores like Michael's or Blick, or if I go online and I get a discount code from somebody. Yes. But seriously though, they have some beautiful colors. I'm really liking their pigments. I also Jdiction, they have some really cool mica powders as well. I have a link in the description for them. I'm affiliated with them. If you use my link, it does help my channel out. Plus you get a discount, so a win-win for everyone. See how subtle that glitter, the glimmer shimmer is? Like it's not too much, but it's beautiful. I'm not putting it on all the crystals again. I'm just kind of going around the edges just to kind of add that little shimmer around the edges here. I do also am affiliated with KSresin, and I have a link in the description for them if you guys are interested in some resins as well. I have them, and then also Jdiction. Let's see what else. BeeBeeCraft. If you guys are looking for some fun crafting, if you're into making jewelry or painting, they have palette knives and pretty much anything that you can think of for the creating some cool stuff. A link in the description for them. I have a link in the description for Blick, also for Arteza. I'm just putting some heat on with my heat gun just to kind of make sure I get all them air bubbles out. This piece is beautiful. When I get done with this heat gun, I'll bring you down for a close-up so you can see that Glimmer Ghost Violet. Oh, it's just perfect amount. I did one little tiny scoop off my popsicle stick in there, and it was plenty enough. So you don't, a little bit goes a really long way. Okay, sorry about that glare from the ceiling, but I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. Just look at how pretty that is. But can you see that? Look at that. Wow, it's so pretty. So I do have mirrored glass and then rose quartz on top. I think I did put a little bit of glitter in there. The gold is Eyecandy's 14 Nugget Gold. This is the icicle that I use. Well, actually, when I did the white on here, I do have a little bit of shimmer in the white, which is the icicle with the white pigment. This right here is amazing. If you want a really good deep white, this is what you need. You don't need very much at all. Like, I mean, the tiniest scoop will literally be so much. But look at, these are all that came in this set. There's so many different colors here. I also got some Shimmer Flakes with lots of different glitters in there. When I first ordered from them, I ordered a set that has, let's see if I can number them out, different shades of purples that come into this set. So, I mean, they have so many different sets to choose from. And they just have a few pigments, but they are getting more. But this is everything if you use white in your resin. I mean, you're going to get... Just look at how good that white is. Like, it's so vibrant and just beautiful. I mean, I do have a little bit of shimmer in there because I did put a smidge of the icicle in there. Oh, sorry, I dropped a... Here's the... Sorry, I'm going to fix that. The Glimmer Ghost. But if you can see... It's too bad you can't really tell in the video, but it has like a purplish to it. They have like a ghost violet, a ghost, I think there's a green one. There's so many different ones, but of course, you know, I'm going to go with the violet because, you know, purple's my favorite. But you guys have to tell me what you think. I think it's beautiful. Turned out really pretty. I'm really pleased with it. But I do thank everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And like I said, if you're looking for some resin, pigments, I also have Jdiction resins, mica powders. I'm sorry, not resin. Mica powder. I do have their resin as well. They have just epoxy resin, and then I also got the deep pour resin from Jdiction. I'm also affiliated with KSresin. I use a lot. But yeah, links are in the description if you guys are looking for some new stuff. BeeBeeCraft, amazing crafting things. painting, jewelry making, just so much. I can't even think what's all in there. Molds for resin on so many different molds. Yeah, you guys will have to tell me what you think. But I hope you guys are all being healthy and safe from COVID, and hope everybody is doing well. Have a good day, have a good evening, and keep being creative. Bye.